ક્યાં ઉપર આ કશું વસ્તુ કાંઈ ખબર પડે.
Molars of a giant. Well, the plants have been hurt before.
I can do it better. You look like a spiky dog. You have to figure it out, bruh.
You can see the mouth of the dragonfly moving. By Emerson.
Ralph, what?
There are lotuses in this water in the early spring.
Debunking is, and then going through all the findings in terms of intensity of the mineral content. Yeah, I liked it. I didn't like Crazy Water Flower. It was very kind of milky, metallic, milky. It's like milky. So I don't actually know if we've gotten this question before. We no longer believe in ghosts. How does it work? Like it doesn't work like that. You can't unring the bell. What if God appeared to you? If God came down to earth and was like, everything you saw was just the wind. Yeah, I'd be like, cool that you're here, and also I guess this is what you're making time for. Yeah, I guess ghosts are great. He's like big fan of Ghost Files. Just want to let you know that was a drawer and it was me. At this point, I don't think there's anything that would make you believe. No, the growl and the voices we heard in this place. No, a bit of a tease on an upcoming podcast on Podwatcher.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
This one, Ariel.